Hello everyone, my name is Igor and welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a little bit on one challenge. Today's challenge is a little bit different. It's to try to create a beat by using mainly a loop, maybe add some percussion, but the idea here is to create something that will rely on a single loop. I have here, for example, on my Logic, the Apple loops that we already have. I'm going to create something using, I don't know, piano. Let's think over here. Okay. I want to find something that I can have different sounds in it, uh, which I can reuse those uh, or cut it. Somehow I can create some kind of harmony and melodies out of it. Okay, I really liked this one, which is in the key of A minor. I really like this one, block chords piano, which is in the key of A minor. So I will leave it that way, which is in 66 BPMs. Yeah. Of course, when we are creating something out of it, we can change the maybe not the key itself, but at least the BPM might be a little bit slightly faster or slower. It depends on what we are going to do. So let's check it out. I will remove this guy because I don't need this, and then I will create using Quick Sampler. Quick Sampler, it's a nice tool for you to. Here it is. So Quick Sampler, as you can see, you can import it, and I decided to do optimize because it will trim some silences and stuff like that, and then I will slice everything so I can easily, which we, as you can see, I can uh, use the keyboard to create something out of it. The key. But as you can see, it will, whenever I play, for example, G2 over here, it will play only, whoa, not this one. It will play only this slice over here, which is kind of fine. It's okay because that's the idea. I want to create something out of it. And let's see. For example, let's let's record it and let's see what's going to happen. So it's way too slow for now. So let's change it. I want to increase to, let's see, 120 BPM. Oh, I want only this over here. Oh, right. All right, all right, all right. Let me quantize. Here. Okay. Let's see. Nope. as you can see, it's way too fast. I will decrease to 100 ppms and see how it goes. Something special is coming, right? It's not yet in the same tempo that I want to. Now we have something, right? So I will duplicate here because I want to preserve everything. And let's see. I really like this sound, right? Where I'm playing over here. Let me just increase a little bit. Over here, F2, right? It's a chord over here. So why not play from it, right? So that's it. That's what I want, right? I will bounce to audio and then I will cut it because I don't need all these things over here, and then I will be able to do something different, right? Now I have something that I can use this, and then as you can see, whenever let me remove this guy because I don't need this anymore. Okay, now I'm trying to create some kind of a beat itself for me to have some movement over here. I see I can have some kind of movement, some kind of groove, but still, it's not there yet. At least this ending, right? Maybe, let me see how it's going to behave if I do this. Okay. What if I do this? I still don't feel it. Maybe instead of playing on this way, what if? Oh, something is happening here, right? I already feel some kind of groove, so now let me try to do something. I will now convert to MIDI so I can I don't know, do something like this. Move slightly, then have okay, right now the idea here is not to mix itself because I like to create a different session for that. So out of this loop, I have now some kind of melody and some kind of groove, and without creating something from other instruments. So I'm creating an instrument out of it, right, by using a quick sampler, which is kind of amazing if you think about it. Now I feel that maybe I can add some chords, and now the idea here is to add some piano in order to have some harmony here. One of the most amazing, I will add over here. I will use Wurli for that. I really like this. I really like the sound of it. One of the most amazing things in Logic is that whenever you add the chords over here, I don't need to play the chords itself. I just do that, and that's it. So it's already something nice. It's way too harsh still. Let me try to change a little bit that. I will add some vibrato to bring some kind of, but now I will try to narrow it as much as possible. It's way too much. Amazing. So now we have this harmony, a little bit of groove, but maybe I can take something out of it still. We have a lot of notes over here, as you can see in the quick sampler. So let me see what I can do. I really like this sound. Let's see what I can do. That's it. That's what I want. That's what I need, and that's it. I will bounce it, and I have here. Let me see. Ooh, like an organ. I'm trying to remember something here over here. Right, now I have something else here to bring some transaction from it, maybe some transaction to a different section. I like to think in a way that every two bars I can add something different. Right, so maybe let's see what's okay. Maybe I will add something else over here, a different loop with a percussion maybe. So create a pattern region. Okay, and now I can create something from it. Let me. Now we have something, right? We have some more movements, we have melody, we have harmony, and now some transition. And I will make this start over here as I'm having the transition. Let's see how it goes. Okay, something interesting is happening here. As you can see, maybe change the now I notice. I still am not convinced entirely about these two single notes over here, but that's fine, and that's the process, the creative process that we are aiming for, right? So right now I'm going to add some more elements, and then I will get back to you as soon as possible. And now I'm back. Here I added some different stuff over here in order to make it more full, make it more dynamic. And here it is, the final beat. It's a simple one, not so long, just to show you how you can be quite creative by having a simple loop and then creating the melodies and the harmony, and not only that, by adding some vocal chops that I did as well. Here it is, that's the bit I created for today, and I hope to create at least one video per week with this idea of creating beats. And so thank you for watching. If you like it, don't forget to click the like button below and the subscribe for you to receive everything that I'm going to create in the future, every new beat that I'm going to create, and maybe some other things that I might think that's interesting. Thank you and see you later.